Grace be to God, whom all blessings flow. Hi, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. Happy Resurrection Sunday. I am actually going to do a HAOLAM box unboxing. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And hopefully you find some content on here that you enjoy. So I receive the Israel box from HAOLAM every month. So this is my March box. So happy to do the unboxing on Resurrection Sunday, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday today while we remember our Lord Jesus Christ. So let's go ahead and dig in because this is a fun box this month, and I have not looked in it, but I'm excited. I did see this at the top, and this says, "Freedom, let my people go. Moses, brave and determined, call for freedom echoes to this very day in the beating heart of all humanity, appealing to all who are in conscious and mental slavery. Leave behind the places that constrict you. Move forward towards freedom." So this is when the Israelites were leaving Egypt. So see, the water is separating. So that is so cool. And there's a little QR code. Says, scan the QR code and be a part of the experience of creating the ceramics included in our March package. All right. So yes, the theme is about Moses. And I just see this at the top, and this says, "The Journey to Freedom, Passover 2021. So I did receive this a little late. That's okay. So let's see what's inside of here. See how to open it. There's tape on here. In every generation, a person must regard himself as though he personally had gone out of Egypt." And I don't know if that's Psalm or something. If somebody reads Hebrew, or let me know. So let's see. The Exodus from Egypt. No, it can't be Psalm because, where is that? I don't, okay, never mind. Maybe that is in the, if you know, let me know. So this is the Exodus from Egypt. So let's see, Ramses. So, okay, it goes through the history or the order of them leaving Egypt. Oh, okay. It comes like a, let's see, there's a poster in the back. That is so, something else I can use for homeschooling. There's a map. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, I'm loving that. Oh, that's perfect. Right now we're actually studying in Matthew, but when we start to go back and study the Old Testament again, or if we come across studying about Moses again anytime soon, this would be so perfect. I like that. All right, so we'll put that there. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, a handcrafted ceramic bowl. Let's see what this can look like. I'm excited about this because I can put this. We recently purchased a home, so we can put this in our home. Oh, this is beautiful. So you can put dips or sauces. Ooh. And it actually matches the color of our house. That is beautiful. So this month we got a ceramic bowl. I like when we get things like that. Ooh, olive oil. Get olive oil. I always love getting some olive oil. Put on our salad. Red spice. We got a red spice for this month. So I have to tell you, I love their creams. I actually just gifted somebody a cream because I'm getting so many that I can't keep up with it. So But this is nice. So this is a day cream and a night cream. And it's called Snowflake. And I still need to do a review on the other cream that I got. Oh no. Oh, this one, oh no. I have to let them know. This one is ripped. Oh, what a bummer. Okay, I'll have to let them know that this was damaged, came damaged. Oh, such a bummer. Okay, let me make sure this one's okay. Oh no. Yeah, these are damaged. I'm gonna have to let them know that. Oh. So yeah, but here's some creams. I will contact them and let them know. So that, and then some dark chocolate almonds, which are melted. Oh my goodness, this box has been through a lot this month. Wow. Okay. So I got some almonds and also some coated matzo, which I've tried some of these. I recently had them and it is good. So yeah, so this is the Passover box and I'm so bummed about my cream, but that's it. There's nothing else as far as I know. So let's see, there's usually a recipe I'll show real quick. So roasted chicken for the red spice and a celery, apple, and walnut salad. But yep, use the olive oil. So thanks so much for stopping by, and I will be back with April's box, and I hope y'all have a blessed day and a happy Resurrection Sunday.